In today's video, I am going to be sharing one of the most advanced yet simplest trading strategy. Do yourself a favor by watching this video to the end and giving it your full attention. We'll be exploring the big fish hunt strategy, a powerful method for selecting stocks and trading them throughout the week. This approach uses the 1 hour time frame. This strategy is developed by me, so you won't find it anywhere else. Use the link in the description to see which stocks are eligible for this strategy. These stocks are automatically updated every weekend. The BFH setup offers multiple entry options, each with different stop loss and target setup, but we will only talk about one setup today. Identify a trendline resistance on 1 hour time frame and enter a buy position on its breakout close value. The amazing thing about this strategy is that these stocks are more likely to perform well with any strategy. This means they have a 40% probability of entering an uptrend. Even if your strategy has only a 20% win rate, combining it with these stocks increases your chances of success to 70%. And if your strategy already has a 50% win rate, using it on these stocks could give you an incredible 90% win rate. It's almost hard to believe for you, right? Set the stop loss at running swing and target at 1:105. However, I typically use a dynamic stop loss using KTR, which often gets me 3 to 6 times the risk taken. Now let's learn BFH strategy practically on charts. And if you want to backtest it, then I have given a file in description which has every stock from the last 9 months that was once eligible for BFH strategy. So I recommend you to backtest all these stocks and get familiar with this strategy before using it. These are common mistakes that many traders make, often without realizing why they are losing their money. Books are often seen as one of the greatest source of knowledge. Yet most trading books are just useless. They're often written for the author's profit rather than to provide real value. These books typically cover only the basics of stock trading, information you can easily find with quick Google search. So avoid these trash books. Many YouTubers create hundreds of videos on trading strategies, but most are not traders themselves. They are mainly making financial content because it gets high RPM, which means more money for them. Real successful traders usually sticks to a few strategies. In fact, the word strategy is often misused in the context of the financial market. That's why you rarely see the most successful traders talking about strategies. The market is not something objective. It's highly dynamic. Don't be misled by the idea that it follows fixed rules. So having 100 of strategies is not realistic. If someone is posting that many videos, it's likely more about getting views and earning money than genuinely helping people with trading. Managing risk and capital is non-negotiable in trading. It's not just a suggestion. It's the foundation of long-term success. Without it, even the best strategies can fail. Protecting your capital ensures you stay in the game. Limit your risk to 1% of your capital per trade. If you have had a loss on your previous trade, reduce your risk to 0.5% of your capital. Till you have a winning trade, then increase it to 1%. Limit your trading to no more than 7 open positions at a time to maintain focus and manage risk effectively. It keeps your capital safe. For example, the event of a global fall, if all your open positions hit stop losses, you could lose a significant portion of your capital. Now for a few months, commit to this BFH strategy and use it effectively. Set your stop loss and target levels in your broker and leave them unchanged. Let the market hit one of them. Resisting the urge to modify them can help you stay disciplined. This is trader Alex. He modified his strategy to improve it. It hit my stop loss and MACD was red, So from now on, I only trade when MACD is green. Don't be Alex. Question that most of my students has about BFH strategy are: how do I keep track of my open positions and ensure I don't exceed the limit? You can use Google Sheets like this one to manage your trade and journal them for research. How can I use a trailing or dynamic stop loss in my strategy? This KTR indicator is my own creation. If you are interested, I can provide it to you. Summary of BFH strategy is: every weekend check stock list, on 1 hour time frame spot trend line, buy on its close price and set SL at running swing, and target at 1:1:5 or KTR trailing. Keep the risk management principles I have explained in your mind. These are unique methods. Subscribe and like. This will get me motivated enough to share more of my secret methods and the most effective strategies I have used in trading. Let me know any questions or challenges you are facing in trading or in BFH strategy. In our upcoming videos, we'll dig into advanced MACD strategy step by step with trading plan.